يومك للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض مداد. ليكن يومك للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض مداد.
Once upon a time in a bustling marketplace, there were two friends, Ali and Hassan, who were both talented carpet weavers. They had learned the art from the same master and were equally skilled. One day, a wealthy merchant arrived at the marketplace seeking a special carpet to decorate his grand mansion. He announced a competition, promising a generous reward to the weaver who could create the most exquisite carpet. As Ali and Hassan heard about the competition, their excitement turned into jealousy. Each wanted to outdo the other and win the merchant's favor. Day and night, they worked tirelessly on their respective carpets, trying to impress the merchant. However, the jealousy between them started to grow and it affected their friendship. They became distant and envious of each other's progress. Their once strong bond was now overshadowed by the desire to win at any cost. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. Ali and Hassan presented their carpets to the merchant, both stunning in their own way. The merchant examined each creation closely, and after much contemplation, he declared Hassan's carpet as the winner. Ali felt a pang of disappointment and jealousy in his heart, but he managed to congratulate Hassan with a forced smile. However, when the merchant handed Hassan the reward, something unexpected happened. Hassan turned to Ali and said, "Brother, we both worked hard, and I couldn't have won without your encouragement and support. Please, share this reward with me." Ali was taken aback by Hassan's generosity. The jealousy that once consumed him melted away, replaced by gratitude and remorse for his feelings of envy. He embraced Hassan, realizing that their friendship was far more valuable than any reward. In this short tale, jealousy tested the bonds of friendship, but ultimately the power of forgiveness and selflessness prevailed, reminding Ali that true happiness lay in the beauty of friendship and not in the desire for personal gain.